Today we're diving into 8 must-know tips to keep your vintage beauty in top shape. Whether you've just snagged a freshly restored typewriter or you're dreaming of one, this video is for you. We're talking dust, storage, typing hacks, and more. All the secrets to make your typewriter last for a lifetime. Quick heads up. These tips work best if your typewriter has been recently serviced or restored by a pro. Got a dusty eBay or Etsy find? You might need a full overhaul first. But once it's ready, these tips will keep it humming. Let's jump in with tip number 1. Keep your typewriter covered. First up, dust is your typewriter's worst enemy. It sneaks into mechanisms and can cause all sorts of trouble. So always keep your typewriter covered when you are not typing on it. Got the original cover? Awesome. If not, get a custom one made or store it in a dust-proof cabinet. Those flimsy plastic covers, they don't cut it. And for long-term storage, pop it in its carrying case. A quick dusting now and then doesn't hurt either. Trust me, your typewriter will thank you. Tip number 2. Find the right spot. Location matters. Keep your typewriter away from direct sunlight, open windows, fireplaces, or heaters. Sunlight and heat can often soften rubber parts. A stable, moderate temperature room is your best bet. And make sure it's on a sturdy desk, especially if it's one of those chunky desktop models. Think of it like finding the perfect home for your typewriter. Cozy, cool, and safe. Tip number 3. Use a non-slip pad. A non-slip pad is a total game changer. It keeps your typewriter steady while you type and cuts down on the clacking noise. Plus, it saves your desk from scratches. We've tested multiple pads at Mr. and Mrs. Vintage Typewriters, and our custom ones are a fan favorite. Link is in the description if you want to grab one for your typewriter. It's a small tweak for a little peace of mind. Your desk and your ears will thank you. Tip number 4. Avoid correction fluids and erasers. Say no to liquid correction fluids and rubber erasers. They leave sticky residues that gums up your typewriter over time. Instead, go for correction slides. They are cleaner, less messy, easier to use, and still available on our website. I've seen too many typewriters wrecked by correction fluid. Don't be that person. Tip number 5. Use a backing sheet. What's a backing sheet? Simple. Just slip an extra piece of paper behind the one you are typing on. It boasts print quality, protects the platen, and stops keys from punching through if your platens are hard. Stick to 85 to 100 GSM paper too. Thinner sheets slip and thicker ones jam. Want more paper tips? Check the video we prepared on the best paper to use on your typewriters, available on our YouTube channel. Tip number 6. Clean the key types regularly. Ink builds up on the key types over time, especially the letters like E, A, and G. Grab a bristle brush and gently clean them. For stubborn ink, a tiny drop of mineral spirits works wonders. Just don't overdo it. I use dental picks for precision, but be careful if you try to do that. Clean keys means crisp prints. Tip number 7. Don't wash your typewriter. A huge no-no here. Don't wash your typewriter. Water causes rust even if you dry it well. And dunking it in mineral spirits? Nope. That can loosen springs and wreck plastic parts. Keep it dry and simple. I've seen the aftermath of typewriter bath. It's not pretty, just don't do it. Tip number 8. Don't oil your typewriter. Last tip. Don't oil or lubricate your typewriter. Oil attracts dust and turns into a greasy mess that sticks keys. If it's been serviced by a pro, it doesn't need oil. Leave it to experts to use it during cleaning. I hate hearing I oiled it up. Oil doesn't help. Keep it clean, not greasy. And there you have it. 8 essential tips to keep your typewriter clicking smoothly. Cover it, store it right, use a pad, skip the correction fluids, add a backing sheet, clean the key types, avoid water, and never oil it. Your typewriter isn't just a machine, it's a piece of history. Treat it right and it will keep telling stories for years to come. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved this, hit the like button and subscribe and drop your own tips in the comments below. Until next time, keep typing and take care of your typewriters and yourselves.